today's video, I'm going to show you how to use TikTok filters from other people's video. When you see a filter that you like on other people's video, you can easily use it and try it for your own. To do that, firstly head over to the video that you've seen the TikTok filter on. Now after you open up the TikTok, you can simply tap on the filter that should be showing up above the name of the person or the account. For this case, it is AI manga. You can tap on it, and now it will take you to the section where you can see even more people trying out this filter. Now to try it for yours, you can tap on use this effect button on the bottom, and after you do that, it's gonna straight take you to your camera of TikTok and the TikTok filter will be automatically applied. So that's how easily you can use TikTok filters from other people's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.